welcome back again. This is question number 17 in the series. Okay, so this is a very simple question. Which of the following statements about Jenkins installation is correct? Number 1, Jenkins does not support installation using containerization platforms like Docker natively. The Jenkins master node can only be run on Linux and not on Windows. The Jenkins installation has no dependency on Java. The only prerequisite is Python 2.7. And D, Jenkins can be installed in a standalone mode, but Jenkins leverages the built-in servlet container or the application server Jetty. So this question is about a very important part of the exam, which is about installing Jenkins. So if I come here, you can see this is about installing Jenkins. So first of all, what I can see, it is typically run as a standalone application in its own process with the built-in Java servlet container application server Jetty. You can also run the servlet in different servlet containers like Apache Tomcat or Glassfish, but instructions for setting up this types of installation beyond the scope of this anyways. So basically you can set it up in other basically application servers, server packages or application server containers, but by default it will run in Jetty. Okay, and it's dependent on Java. Okay, and as you can see, you can use very easily you can use it Docker. So Docker is a platform for running environment called Docker. Applications like Jenkins can be downloaded as read-only images, each of which is run in Docker as a container. This means it natively supports Docker. So as you can see, you can download the Docker image and you can then install basically the entire Jenkins Docker image. Okay. Secondly, another thing that you will see here in this package, you don't have to go over the entire thing, is that you can very easily run this on Windows. So let me just try to go the yes, not this one, yes, Windows. So you can see to install from the website. It means what this means? This means Jenkins is supported on Windows also. It's not only supported on Linux, it's supported on Windows also. Then if I go to Java, see the Java requirements page. If you see here, you will see, oh sorry, yeah, Java. So running Jenkins, you have to you need Java, as simple as that. You need Java, basically Java 8 runtime environment. So 9 and Java 10 are not supported. Older versions of Java are not supported, so mainly 8 and 11 are the versions of Java which are mostly supported for Jenkins. So if you can see and check this answer, you will see that Jenkins does not support installation using Docker. Incorrect, as you saw, it's natively supported. The Jenkins master node can only be run on Linux, not on Windows. As you saw, it can be run on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, everything, Docker, anything. C. It has no dependence on Java. The only prerequisite Python. No, actually, there's no dependence on Python as such. The actual main dependency is mostly on Java. And D, this is the correct statement. Jenkins can be installed in a standalone mode, where Jenkins leverages the built-in servlet container or the application server Jetty. So answer is D. Now regarding this installation part, you will get 1 to 2 questions regarding the Jenkins installation part. I have tried to capture a few of those questions also based on my personal experience with the exam, but you will get. So it's very good if you install Jenkins once. Very easy to do. Okay, there are steps given in a lot of blogs and even in the official Jenkins documentation. Very easy to install Jenkins. You should do it on once. So if you go here in installing Jenkins, you will see the actual methodology to install Jenkins is given for all of these use cases. You can very easily use some sort of a package, for example sudo yum install Jenkins or something like that to do that. Okay, but it's important to you do it once so that you understand the challenges and the problems and everything like that, because there will be some questions on installing Jenkins also. And as you can see, it is also part of this study guide official install. Let's see. Yes, no, not this one. I don't know where it was, but there are questions on install Jenkins also. Maybe it's some other, but you might get questions on installation of Jenkins also. Anyways, so thank you everyone for your time, and let's check back again on the next question. Thank you. Bye.